Removal and installation of the dual clutch assembly requires special service tools, or SST. Begin by removing the outer snap ring using snap ring pliers. Note that the snap ring has to be in the right position for the pliers to engage the ring. Next, lift and remove the splined hub. Very important to note there's another snap ring below the splined hub that holds the clutch to the input shaft. The transmission will be damaged if there's any attempt to remove the clutch assembly with the secondary snap ring still in place. Use snap ring pliers to remove the secondary snap ring. Place the arbor into the center of the dual clutch. Install the SST onto the center shaft, then install the clutch puller fingers to the clutch cover. The puller's 3 fingers engage the clutch cover. Tighten the jack screw by hand to remove slack. Check again that all 3 fingers are properly set into the clutch cover. Use a wrench to tighten the jack screw and remove the clutch assembly. The dual clutch assembly is heavy, so be prepared and be careful to not drop the assembly as it is removed from the transmission. To install the clutch, it must be pressed onto the input shaft using the correct SST. Place the dual clutch onto the input shaft with the splines aligned and settled into place. Place the arbor into the center of the dual clutch. Place the installation tool onto the transmission and bolt it to the bell housing. Tighten the jack screw to press the clutch into place so the snap ring groove is exposed. Remove the installation tools. Reinstall the snap rings and hub in the order removed.